Discover's aims, I would say, are to tell as many people as we can about the opportunities in this sector. SharpFutures Discover run Creative Digital Experience Days, and we do these at both the Sharp Project and Space Studios Manchester. So we invite pupils in from all different schools in Manchester and Greater Manchester into the Sharp Project or Space Studios, showing them how exciting it can be in a place of work like this.
It's easy for me in the classroom to talk about student career paths in the digital industry, but it was really hard to show them exactly how it works in the outside world. Now, them doing it in those sessions where they were actually coding it for an actual business gave them a better insight of exactly how it would work in the outside world.
Discover also runs events. So we do, for example, once a month we run Code Dojo. So this is inviting in children as young as 5 years old into the Sharp Project and learn some new skills while they're there that they can take away with them. We also run events for International Women's Day, and that's just to get more women into this creative digital sector because it is quite male dominated. So that's what, for International Women's Day, we want to show them that this sector's for everybody. We've recently run an event for teachers, so that was the Computing, Curriculum and Careers event. So we invited teachers in who were teaching the computer science curriculum and showed them more creative ways to teach that curriculum. A Discover success, I would say, is probably the story of Martin McGreal. So he came on one of the first Sharp Project tours that SharpFutures Discover did. He then went on to join SharpFutures Pod, and he's now a content creator at Mob Films. So it just shows that Discover, again, we planted that seed in his head from the very beginning. I say the hopes for the future for SharpFutures Discover is to get many more pupils through the doors and more success stories like that.